Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss what is diminishing balance method in accounting. What is the formula of diminishing balance method and how we calculate diminishing balance method. Diminishing balance method is also known as reducing balance method. The formula is annual depreciation expense equal to book value of the asset minus rate of depreciation. Okay, let's solve the example. Examples display over screen. First of all, we understand the requirements of this example. Our first requirement tells that compute the depreciation expense for first 5 years, right? First 5 years. And our second requirement is that prepare the partial balance sheet as on December 31st, 4th and 5th years. Khalid and Company purchased 1st January, right? 1st January with costing rupees 1 lakh rupees. The asset value is 1 lakh rupees and residual value rupees 4,000 rupees. The residual value, scrap value and salvage value are same words. The company had been using declining balance method, charging depreciation at 40%, right? 40%. The accounting year end 31st December of each year. Okay, let's solve the first requirement of this example, which is computation for depreciation expense using declining balance method, which is also known diminishing balance method and as well as reducing balance method. First of all, we make the format which contain 4 columns. Our first column is called period and write down the all years means 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5. And in second column we put our formula of diminishing balance method. Our third column is called depreciation expense and fourth last column is called accumulated depreciation, right? First of all, we put all values as per our formula requirements. The cost is 1 lakh rupees and accumulated depreciation is current value is 0 multiplied by rate. Rate is given in our example. Point to be noted, what is accumulated depreciation? If we add our depreciation expense all previous years is called accumulated depreciation. For example, our first year depreciation is 40,000 rupees and second year depreciation 64,000 rupees. How? If we add 40,000 rupees depreciation expense and 24,000 rupees depreciation at both values, answer is 64,000 rupees. It is called accumulated depreciation. If we calculate this formula in first year, the result is depreciation expense is 40,000 rupees. Then we will less our accumulated depreciation in our fixed asset value, then apply the percentage, the result will be 24,000 rupees. We will calculate 5-year depreciation expense as per diminishing balance formula depreciation. Okay, let's solve the second requirement, which is called balance sheet partial. First of all, we make the column 4th and 5th year and put the value of machine cost, which is 1 lakh rupees, and then we will write down our accumulated depreciation of 4th and 5th year, which we have already calculated in our first requirement. Well, let's see here, right? If we less our accumulated depreciation from our machine cost, the result, the Book value of the machine, fourth year 12,960 and fifth year 7,776 rupees. This is not a dollar currency, this is called rupees currency, right? Now we will fulfill the all requirements of a example. I hope you understand what is diminishing balance method and how we calculate diminishing balance method. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video in social media and WhatsApp group. Okay guys, take care.